Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You're starting now. Check the card amount and the currency so you won't hit regional blocks. Make sure you're signed into the Google account you want to use. Once done, open the Play Store app, tap the profile icon, then go to Payments and Subscriptions and Payment Methods. This gets you to the redeem flow immediately. Do this first to avoid adding a card to the wrong account or losing balance to an alternate profile. Now you'll redeem. Select Redeem Code and enter the code exactly, including dashes if shown. You can paste if you copied it earlier. After entering, confirm the displayed amount and that the target account is correct, then tap Redeem. The system applies credit immediately. If an app purchase is pending, you can choose to use credit versus a saved card. Make sure to check characters like 0 versus letter O to avoid an invalid code error. Finish by choosing Play Balance at Purchase Checkout so the gift credit applies first. If Play Store says the code is invalid, try redeeming it at Play. Google.com/redeem from a browser. Sometimes the app caches. If the problem persists, take a clear photo of the card and the code, then contact Google support, explain purchase region, account email, and provide that image. One key tip: don't share the code publicly. Treat it like cash to avoid.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.